the relationship between the Kurdistan region of Iraq and the UK to be a very rich one, and that involves cultural exchanges, understanding, knowledge of each other's rich history. And so, I'd be very keen to do more cultural events to ensure that more British people visit the Kurdistan region wherever possible to share our cultural history with you. And I very much hope that the relationship between the two countries can become and the regions become much deeper as a result of it. When you're posted to a country and a region, what you try to do is learn as much about it as possible. That's how you understand where you're posted to, and that's how you understand the people that you're working with. So the cultural aspects of my job I consider to be a very important one. And we also have our partners, the British Council, who are doing really good work here as well. And so it's important that we engage as much as possible with the culture in the Kurdistan region. Yes, I enjoy it. I think it's very rich. You should celebrate your culture and celebrate the people and the great warmth that they offer, and be very proud.